In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can autosave Instagram stories to your archive. Autosaving your stories to your archive on Instagram is crucial for preserving your content and memories. It ensures that even if your stories disappear after 24 hours, you have a backup accessible at any time. This feature allows you to revisit past moments, reuse content, and maintain a comprehensive record of your online presence. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on your story icon. On these three dots, select the option of Story Settings. Navigate to the option of Save Story to Archive. By enabling this option on, your stories will automatically get saved to your archive. That's how easy it is to save stories to your archive automatically on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.